Pastor Randy. Want to wish you a very happy 60th birthday. And thank you so much for all that you've done for Bob and I and for our family. We will never forget your kindness and the way you've extended your heart and your grace and so many opportunities to us. May God bless you and give you many, many more years.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. This is your day to have a lot of fun. Hey, balloons, streamers, party.
Happy birthday.
Hey, listen, you're 60 now and you're only 5 years away from me. So keep going.
Happy
birthday. We're excited to be here. Happy 60th. I know you don't like to hear that, but happy 60th.
Happy 60th birthday, Dad. I love you with all my heart. Thank you for all you've done for me and for teaching me so much. You're the best dad a man could ask for and a perfect example. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.